Another question, you thinking of all the sexy Thai chicks? Seriously, somebody asking a question like this? Hello everybody, as is today's Silence Day, we are currently in, in the closed building. We cannot do anything like anybody else. And we got so many, but literally so many, like 30, maybe 40 questions on Instagram. Many of you asking us about our life, about the future plans of this channel, and in general questions about the Bali. I will try to answer all of it. I mean, like literally all of it or as many as possible. Okay, let's go with the first one. Alright, so we have so many questions. I'm gonna start with the first one. Sylvia81 would like to know, how do you feel about being back to Bali apart from family being unwell? I don't know. I used to spend here so many years in the row, so it feels like just back to home. Well, and I'm just gonna continue what I was doing the best since the past 3 years, and yeah, I feel just alright. not as excited like coming first time to Bali, but obviously I spent so many years in the row, but feeling like back to home, like you are going back to home wherever you're coming from. Next question is, are you come back, stay in Bali? For a while, yes, we're gonna stay in Bali for sure. Food blog junkie would like to know, is Winnie's mom okay? Yes, Winnie's mom is getting better and better each time, still, having a big trauma and trying to recover, but in general, it's getting better and better, so it's very optimistic. Hopefully, will be only better. But still, this is one of the reasons why we have to stay in Bali, at least for a longer while right now. Somebody would like to know, are you happy to be back home? Sure, I'm happy. Yeah, I think that's it. Just simply happy, yes. Bro, how much it is for rent a room? It's Sanur nowadays. Tom Peldikaki would like to know. Price is getting higher actually right now in Bali in general, but Sanur especially is pretty tough. We were looking to rent some place like an apartment or even guest house, and the prices are so crazy. Like it's very hard to rent something for below 5 million per month, and also you have to be very careful of the scams. There's so many scams right now regarding the renting the property. If we're gonna rent something, we're gonna let you know, but Sanur is really expensive and so many things are sold out. Even some hotels are sold out recently. Another question. Have you tried Anker Lychee beer? It's like a Radler but lychee. I saw it. Somebody offered me to buy the full entire box for very low money, but I don't really like lychee drinks, so I try only once and I don't like it. But you may like it. I prefer Radler. Actually, orange Radler was the best for me, but they discontinued that. Now it's only lemon. Lychee is not for me, but maybe you will like it. I don't know. Let me know if you tried already. Another question, any increase in views after you back in Bali? Well, obviously, yes, the views are higher right now when we are in Bali, but this is because I start my YouTube channel making videos in Bali, and since the past 3 years, during the full entire pandemic times, I was making videos. In total, it's like 900 videos from Bali, so obviously the views are higher in Bali where anywhere elsewhere. So I think this is pretty normal, and at least this one is helpful. Yeah, so yeah, it's back to normal, I could say. Another question by Work Quit Travel, up for a beer next ban? Sure thing, but Radler, okay? Eventually Shandy. Okay, next question. Just let me know. Will you go back to Thailand? One day, for sure. Probably at the end of the year, I will go with my uncle and auntie, maybe back to Bangkok. So stay tuned. Your favorite restaurant in Sanur? I like many of them. For pizza, I like the Hyatt Regency Restaurant Pizzeria. Coco Bistro by the beach is nice. Lila Pantai is nice. Over the Moon is nice. Forchetta is nice for Italian food. Birdhouse is nice. Many restaurants are nice actually. But everybody have a different taste and different, well, whatever you like. There's so many nice restaurants across Sanur. Alright, next question is by Olga Ward. This is actually in Polish language. Czy zdarza Ci się przyjeżdżać do Polski? Mam na myśli normalne czasy, a nie pandemię. So that's mean, are you going to Poland time to time? I mean not like just for the holidays, not because of the pandemic times. I didn't been in Poland since 2017. so it's like 6 years, and I think it's really time to go to Poland in the nearest future. However, I'm not sure if I'm gonna go this year or next year, and definitely no holiday since past 6 years, at least not in Poland. Another question: how did you guys meet? Do you have video on that? Definitely we have a video on that. Probably videos from Malaysia. We talking a lot about this one. We met for the first time in Malaysia. Actually, for the last time when we left Bali in December, you can find the first video from Malaysia, and we explain a lot how we met and why we are together and all of this stuff. So just go and watch this video from Malaysia.
And you can share the link, yeah, honey?
Yeah, link somewhere there in the description or somewhere on the screen right now. Next question by Paddy from Singapore. So, any travel plans for travels in the future, bro? Yeah, as always, time to time I'm gonna travel sometimes somewhere, but most likely in the nearest future by myself. I'm thinking to, yeah, stay tuned, you will let you know. I'm not gonna say anything more because so many things change in the past 2 months, and probably I say something now and tomorrow is changed again. Stay tuned, definitely I'm gonna travel as soon as in April again, somewhere. And you will be surprised because it's not where I usually go. Another question by Lucifer Walker. I've been offline for a while. Are you back in Bali? Yes. Another question. How did you both met? I answered previously already for this question. Another question. You thinking of all the sexy Thai chicks? Seriously, somebody asking a question like this?
Seriously? Somebody has a time to ask you this question?
Ocean drifter.
Oh my god.
Bro, I have a lovely wife. Why I should think about the chicks? In Thailand, you don't even know if it's chick or it's the boy.
So many fake things there, even a fake market, and also fake ladies.
Okay, next question. Hi Damian, how about the reconstruction of the Bintang supermarket? This one in Semina is finished already. It's open, you can go shopping if you would like to. It's already few months actually, I think before Christmas they finish it. Where are you guys living now with Winnie's family? Currently we are living in Winnie's brother house in the central Denpasar. Yeah, but it's temporary. We are looking actually for the place to stay, but first of all Winnie have to find a job, and when she decide in which part of Bali we're gonna live now, because it's most likely we're not gonna live in Sanur, then we're gonna look for the place to stay, proper place to stay. Also nowadays everything must be rented like at least for the year contract, so it's very serious decision. All right.
Yeah, so have to be, everything have to be upfront. You have to pay upfront, so we have to be careful.
Exactly.
Where we choose.
It's very hard to change the mind later on. Another question. Hey Damian, can you check out Yoga Barn? I'm sure many people would be interested. Let me know, guys, if you're interested about the Yoga Barn. It will be at least 10 comments or more. I will go and check it. It's in Ubud, by the way. I know where is it. I can go. Another question. Can you please check out... That's actually the same question 2 times by the same person. What's like being back in Bali? Is alright. I think I answered already at the beginning. You don't seem like Bali puts that twinkle in your eye anymore, by iQuas76. Like I said at the beginning, I'm living here already for like 7 years in the row all the time, and I've seen so much things, including the 2 years in the pandemic. So I think it's the same like wherever you are coming from. Let's say you are coming from Sydney or from Toronto or from Warsaw, I don't know, from Moscow. You don't feel this twinkle of your place anymore. I mean, it's not like, it's nice, it's like you feel like home, but it's like you cannot be always so excited of something what you know very well. I think this is very natural thing, right? Okay, another question. You look deep in thoughts, no questions, still many things on my head, many things to handle and solve out. It's like so much things happen in the past weeks. So yeah, that's for sure, without doubt. I agree with you. How come Winnie doesn't wear sunnies? Poor thing is always squinting. Winnie always saying that she have a body eyes born in the tropical country and she don't like wearing the sunglasses. And also I'm wearing sunglasses all the time, and it's sometimes some nasty people saying as I'm fake guy because wearing the sunglasses, but people don't understand that I have a really pain in my eyes, and my eyes are black all the time because of the sun. It's really painful for me, but for Winnie it's not. And whenever people saying bad about me as I'm wearing the sunglasses, she prefer don't wearing at all, so she don't need to listen these comments. That's one of the main reasons. But also Winnie is always saying tropical eyes. Yes, Sayag? Bali eyes.
Yeah, if I wear sunglasses, somebody will say that you are fake person because I'm wearing sunglasses.
Being a public person, YouTuber, is not easy, guys. Sometimes people trying to find the reason to fight without a proper reason. Anyways, another question by Mr. Lines. Are you followers happy you're back doing Bali videos again? I think so, guys. You are happy. Let me know in the comment section. You prefer videos from Bali, or you prefer, I don't know, in the other countries where we were, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and etc. Let me know.
Vietnam.
Or Vietnam previously, yeah. You can let me know which one you prefer, but yeah, just let me know. I'm also curious. Why don't you seem to be too happy being back in Bali? Again, I'm happy. I mean, like, sometimes people expecting somebody will have a like Hollywood smile 24/7, but me compared to many people who are coming for holidays or longer break, I'm living here permanently, so it's like being home. Are you always happy 24/7 wherever you're coming from? I mean, that's part of my nature. I'm happy, but also my face is like this. If I would be happy, have a smile like Hollywood, I will work in the Hollywood together with the Brad Pitt and having a young wife.
We are just human beings. Sometimes, something happen and then, yeah, we are happy. Sometimes we are also unhappy.
Sometimes I'm also sad. I think it's normal, and that's, as I'm living in Bali doesn't mean as I cannot be sad. I have same problems like you guys. It doesn't matter where you are. Another question by Ocean Drifter. You thinking of all of the sexy Thai chicks again? This is the same question.
Oh my god.
What
Maybe
the
he needs
hell?
to go to Thailand again.
Okay, another question is by Lao Manyan. Where would you rather live, Bali or Thailand? Bali will be always our home. So Bali, rather Thailand. To be honest, I would like to live somewhere in different continent outside of Asia right now. But yeah, Thailand and Bali have many pros and cons. There is no perfect place in the world in general. Currently living in Bali, not much we can do with that. Another question is, I heard that people are not asked to show vaccine QR code at the airport. Is it no longer needed? This is a tricky question. Officially by law, they required you to having a certificate of vaccine. However, when we fly last time from Bangkok, nobody was checking and asking for anything. But I heard also, especially if you are flying from Europe or from US, airline may still ask you, but in the airport, well, nobody asking right now. And also currently, if you're going to the mall, nobody checking it. But 2-3 months ago, when we were still in Bali before we left, they were checking it. So now it seems like be easier. Everything is easier. Where is Winnie's favorite place to eat nasi babi guling? Sayang, where is your best place?
Wow, very difficult
Many
question.
places actually. For Winnie, as long he says nasi baguling, nasi babi guling, she will eat. This is not like a favorite place. It's just
I will eat
everywhere.
wherever it is.
Another question. Are you planning to leave Bali again in the short time? As I answer for Paddy question, I will travel again at the end of April, somewhere, if nothing has changed, because something may change all the time, but most likely in April. Best dentist in Bali? I'm not sure, not using that often. However, I heard by many people as this dentist 911 in Bali Mall Galleria is good. Many of you guys were going there, so you can leave in the comment section. You good? I'm fine, thank you so much, mate. My man smile. Here we go, buddy. Another question by Debbie. You look sad. I'm not sad. I already answered this one. Did you come back? Did you come back to Bali for longer or not? For a longer while. And how's your mood those days, guys? I'm alright. I mean, like, yeah, nothing special, but I'm alright. Trying to enjoy my life. What's for dinner? Just had breakfast. Another question by Tropical Garden in Perth. Would you rather be in Bali or Thailand right now? Right now, to be honest, I would like to spend a month in Phuket probably. But I'm in Bali, so nothing to complain about. It's also nice. I
It's
hope
not
so.
about Thai chicks in Phuket, yeah.
Not about the Thai chicks. I have a lovely wife, guys. I don't know why people are always thinking about this. That's when you should go to Thailand. But just be careful, not all of them they are chicks, I'm telling you. Another question, would you go back to work in travel? Didn't really getting this question, but this is maybe about the travel industry.
I mean, like, yeah, we used to
Yeah.
have a travel company, but I don't know.
I'm not sure about this one. It depends where. In maybe different country, I will consider making this in Indonesia. I'm done with this topic. I'm not interested anymore, to be honest. Are you both okay? Are you okay, Sam? I'm okay.
Yes.
All good. All is alright. Alright, lovely people. I think that's it. That's the most questions what you guys asked me a few days ago on Instagram. If you have more questions, please you can do still comments under this video, and if will be so many questions like 20, 30, I'm gonna make another video in the next upcoming days. Why not? That's actually pretty easy videos to make. For this occasion we had no other choices because we was silence day, so it's like this one. I hope so you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, listening. You can listen this as the podcast. Big thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet. And well, thank you so much. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow, as always.